The whole month of Kartika is a big opportunity for householders and for celibates and for hermits and for ascetics and for all kinds of devotees to perform their spiritual activities in the month of Damodar and come close to Krishna. This is a special month. By performing devotional service in this month, the devotees become close to Krishna. They're not, other months may give liberation, they may be very dear to Lord Vishnu, but this month of Damodar is especially the month that brings us close to Krishna. This is the month of remembering Krishna's pastimes, his Leela, as a cowherd boy, when he was tied by Mother Yasoda around the waist, showing how Krishna can only be tied by pure love, not by any material means. Also, this is the time when we have our Govardhan Puja, where Krishna lifted the Govardhan hill. Many different pastimes and the festivals occur during the month of Damodar. Many acharyas have left the planet in this month. And tomorrow our founder Acharya, His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada's Tirubhav Mahotsav is going to be celebrated here. So Prabhupada ki. Yeah. This festival was very dear. Prabhupada would come to Vrindavan usually. Once he came also to Mayapur, but usually come to Vrindavan in the month of Kartik. Even this is the month also recommended by Bhaktivinoda Thakur, good for doing Navadvip Parikrama. Maybe in the future we'll organize another Navadvip Parikrama. This is it's not too cold and it's not too hot. It's a good month for walking around the 9 islands of Navadvip Dham. Just like they have Rajmandal Parikrama this month, you can have another, especially another Navadvip Parikrama for people that come to India this time. So, even Krishna told Satyabhama that she became his queen because in her previous life she observed the Damodar Vrata very carefully and she observed all her Ekadasi vows. Because of these two vows of Ekadasi and Damodar Vrata, she could become his queen. So, it's very effective to get close to Krishna. How much closer can you get to Krishna?